So let's see what Amazon does. Okay, boy, let's see where you are at. Not too expensive. Look good.
Almost no puts available, really. Very
Yeah,
few.
but you know, see about the 2790, 2780, 2800. That's pretty high in the money though. We'll see what happens. I kind of want to let it kind of just shake out a little bit here.
Yeah, me too.
It's got a little pop here with the Dow. Looks like it's
1,500
Yeah,
go.
looks like it's holding, but we should probably come down a little bit. Loading some puts here in Amazon. Okay. All right, taking some puts. Kind of out of the gate here, but this is a scalp, guys. Scalp, scalp. Right?
Yeah, I'm in with you. Tesla's
Just,
dropping too.
just doing a little scalping. Qs are coming down. Gonna play in the tick down. Here we go. Nice to see you get to the 20. That'd be nice. All right. Let's see here. What is Tesla doing here? So you guys should be green.
Way green. Very nice.
So I'm gonna take half the profit right now, guys. If it hits back to the 23.50, I'm out. Okay.
Got it.
All right. There's $4 right there. 360. Okay. There's five.
Nice. There we go. Just like we thought.
Yep. Okay. It's gonna bounce. Gonna try to bounce off this 20 here. Does it bounce off the 14 though? There's 23. There we go.
Order filled.
Not bad, you know.
It's nice.
So
Still at
it didn't,
13.20.
yeah, it didn't quite get to the 14. Got right to the 17. You know.
Yeah.
These are scalp trades though. This isn't something you hold. All right.
No.
It'd be super, super. You know, never let it go back to where you got in. If you got profit, take that half. Like we said, 23 was it. Okay.
Qs are trying to form a hammer here.
So ticks at 13. Nvidia's coming down.
Well,
See it?
Yeah.
Apple. Okay.
Apple's got it.
Tesla's got a hammer on it. You know what you're gonna say?
Apple's got a hammer too.
So Tesla's got a big hammer on it. Looks super choppy though.
Amazon forming hammer too. Netflix is gone.
Yeah.
Never pulled back much.
Yeah. That's gonna.
I grabbed that.
Yeah. The earnings coming up on Thursday just makes sense. You know.
Chick's finally coming down some.
We could surge down a little more here. You know.
Yeah, I'm not getting in calls yet.
Yeah, we could surge down just a little bit more. Hard to take Amazon long with the Qs still dancing below the 11 on the MA.
Yeah.
Get
Yeah,
caught
it's
in
pain.
that little pop up, and then what happens is it comes all the way back down and retest the bottom again. I need
Yeah.
to see it break up above the 11. Showing some life here though.
Yep.
Showing
Getting
some,
there.
Showing some life.
2700s.
Yeah, let me see. That's a good idea to look at those. Let's see, 27s.
You're going to go to the 2690s.
Yeah, 2700 looks really good. 62 delta,
Mhm.
60, 63 delta. You got 214 sitting there, 18 open. Not that it matters. Open just means somebody held it.
Dollar spread.
Yeah, it's just this thing's not dancing like I thought it would. I thought it's gonna. I'm gonna wait for this tick, come back down a
Come
little
down.
bit.
Yeah, I don't want to get smoked on this after being green my first, but
That's perfect scalp though.
Yeah, it's great, man. I know Phil nailed it. Noel was in it.
Yeah, I got it too.
Good job, Michael.
Yeah, you're getting a lot quicker out there in Ireland. I don't know what's going on, but it must be the food.
There's whiskey in the water there, man.
Whiskey, something.
Yep.
There's whiskey in
Exactly.
the water. I'm moving over there.
Wow, this tick is really still holding a lot.
I'm gonna try Tesla long here, guys, on the top of the hammer. So take it long out of the 1,000, hit the 1,000. So take some Tesla. I'm scalping this puppy, okay? 1,000 is my stop. Oh boy, this thing's got some whip to it.
Amazon is trying here.
Anybody want to take calls with me?
I'm taking calls on Amazon right now.
I just entered it. I'm in Amazon, guys.
I'm gonna join you. Our stop's gonna be below this candle on the volume chart of 2724.
I'm up $3 on the option. $4.
Wow, that's
Five.
awesome. I'm up $1. Nice. Man, it goes through this 37. We're golden, you know?
Yeah, killer.
All right,
That's a lot
just
of
make
money, guys.
sure you split your profit, man. Don't let it go down half of what you're in. Whatever that is, late to the party, doesn't matter. You're still up. You're up $2.50. I'm up 2. I'm up 3.
That was
Yeah.
nice.
Way good, guys.
Oh gosh, this is nice, guys. I had to
Killer
leave,
That's why.
Perfect
I
timing.
had to leave Netflix alone. I'm okay with that though.
Order filled.
All right, I'm done. That was sweet, guys.
That's a good call out.
So here's the resistance that I could have on the 37. So I'm taking half my profit. If it doesn't hold the 35, I'm out. Okay. Let's see if it blows through the 37.56.
Through, guys.
If it doesn't, I'm just going to see if it dances here. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying, Phil?
Yep.
I wouldn't be surprised if it pull back and give us a second entry, run up higher. Like you said, second run's usually the best in Amazon.
Yeah, this is definitely a beautiful trade, though.
Oh yeah,
You're managing profit now. That's what's amazing. You know?
yeah, it was great.
I'm still in Tesla, and it's just scissoring up and down from my high low. So it's in between my entry and where I want to get out. Does that make sense? Not
Yep.
losing money in it, but I'm not making money like here.
Right.
So that's nice about just being able to trade a couple different stocks. And really, where do we want to make our money? Amazon. Unless some other stock shows up and does a better deal, we just don't trade it. You know? What's the point?
Yeah, that was $6 on the option. That was sweet.
So it's I'm $9.50 up today. $9.50, and it's not even 8 minutes into the trade. If you bought one contract, you'd be up $900,000. You bought 10, do the math, okay? So that's not bad for pickings right there. That's not bad when you're doing your harvest right there. You just did a harvest in your own backyard.
Tough rate.
That's nice harvesting, isn't it? If you're a farmer, you know what that means. If you're not, you'll learn. You gotta have some humor in here, guys.
That was awesome. Michael, Noel, you guys got that?
Sure did. Yeah, that was great.
Chris, did you get it?
I got a bit of that as well, thanks.
Good job, Dave. Good job. Anybody else get that?
Me?
I was in it. I was in it for 49 seconds and made $6 on it.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. All right, so where does it go from here? Does it dance off the top? It's at the 35. I closed my position out though, just because 35 was my out. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So you got to define where your out is, and now we can always re-enter. Okay. Each person has to take ownership of their profit and their loss, or you'll never become a great trader. It's like flying an airplane and keep asking your co-pilot, what should you do? You know? It's not going to work. Will it, Phil?
No, that's not the way things work.
Can you imagine asking them when to put the wheels down or wheels up? Like failure to launch is not going to work, you know?
Daryl, second entry here on Amazon or no?
It's holding the 10-minute candle, okay? The tick is rebounding off the 5. I'm going to wait a little bit.
Yeah, me too.
I'd like it for it to pull back just a little more. The first one isn't always the best. It needs to pull back into the 11 for me to get it. I think the 29 would be good, you know?
Got it.
The Q's are barely holding the pre-market. Like, I'd like to see those kind of swell up, you know?
Yep.
Yeah.
Market's kind of mixed right now. The tick would be nice if the tick bounced off 0. I don't know if it's going to happen today. But right at the 400, 390. I mean, you could take it. I mean, it's high of the pre-market, you know?
The tick is holding that trend up.
Yeah, I mean, it is a trade, guys. It is a trade. I've got $9.40 in my pocket right now. I'm going to wait about 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Like to just kind of just kind of enjoy that a little bit, you know? No, just say, yeah, that's a good summer trade.
Mm-hmm.
And not get caught in this little chop here. Oh my gosh, I haven't had an espresso or nothing. What is going on with me? Just had that adrenaline, that trading adrenaline this morning. So it's at that 35 sweet spot where we got out. Huh?
You still in Tesla?
Oh yeah, you know that.
Good.
I have to be. My goal demands it. Where's my out? 1,000, okay? But I never really just touched on it, right?
Totally.
Oh yeah, only got five to the party, but 5 to the party could end up making me $2,500. You know? I mean, this is a trade, an Amazon trade, but I think it's gonna do a little chop right here.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just concerned, and I'm trying to see if it gets any more volume than the 22,000. We had the big surge up 200,000. Now I got just sat there. This is typical summer trading, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just kind of waiting, not getting aggressive. This was October, I'd be all over it like a spider monkey. But I'm gonna tell my spider monkey to chill out. You know, it's always good to sit on your hands a little bit and just not get over aggressive when you make $9 because you want to, you know?
Yep.
So we already got hosed right here. Right?
Yep. Here's our pullback, maybe.
Yeah, I'm taking my profit in Tesla here. It's not much, but it's more than losing, okay? So here's our pullback into the 11, which I figured what would happen, okay?
Right.
So now this is significant.
Yeah.
But the thing is, the Qs have to cooperate and hold the top of that 10-minute candle on the other side, the first one. I figured the tick is going to come into 0. We're close. Man, I think we just saved ourselves about $4 worth of pain.
Yep.
There'll be a lot of miles to make up.
Yeah, and we don't need to fly the other direction.
No. I didn't take it. I just wanted to see what your thoughts were on it.
I know you're putting me on the hot seat, but you know what? I'm putting you back on there.
No, I didn't take it for a reason. I just saw the possibility was set up.
I was going to tell you to get a parachute because we're going to lose some thrust. everything's about flying now. Okay. Next week it'll be about scuba diving. It's all the same concept though, right? Risk, reward. You know.
Yep.
How you handle your emotions. Kind of like the same thing you're doing anything like skiing. Same thing. Everything's sports related or professional. Like an athlete, you know.
All right. So
I don't see anything right this minute. NVIDIA puts look pretty tasty. So
Apple hammer.
we got an Apple hammer. Okay, you're gonna go into the 385s. What do you got? What is it? Am I seeing that right? So you're gonna have resistance at 385 on Apple, just because of the high of the pre-market, you know. I think I'm gonna chill.
yeah, me too.
I'll be right back in about 2 minutes. I'm gonna not jump into something real quick.
Yeah, me too.
Good thinking.